Now, things got heated at the governor's news conference today while giving an update to the state's response on COVID-19. 12 News' Anna Ferris joins us with some of those heated moments. Anna?
Governor Tate Reeves was on the defense as he was questioned on the state's COVID response. He says he won't be issuing any state mandates for masks or vaccines. Governor Tate Reeves was questioned several times about his views on the COVID vaccine.
You just want to argue with me. I understand. I know y'all want to argue with me. I understand that. Well, I'm not going to ask you if you got vaccinated, but if so, why'd you get vaccinated?
For the greater good
well, does it work or does it not work?
Yes, but
okay, well then never mind.
Governor Reeves says he believes the vaccine works, but it shouldn't be forced on anyone.
The vaccine works or it doesn't. Okay, either the vaccine works or it doesn't, and I believe that it does, and that's the reason. It works in two ways. It makes you significantly less likely to get the virus, and it also, the second phase, which is even more important given where we find ourselves today, it makes it even less likely that you are going to end up hospitalized or in an ICU bed.
When asked about vaccinated Mississippians still wearing masks, he says that's up to you.
If you really want to make sure that you, as a vaccinated Mississippian that has no symptoms, does not pass the virus to your fellow man, if you really want a virtue signal, then why are you here in this room? Why don't you go to your house, lock yourself up in the house, because you will not give it to anybody if you don't see anybody.
The governor says he has no intentions of issuing a statewide mask mandate for any age group, nor a vaccine mandate. Recently, Mayor Chokwe Antar Lumumba announced his requirements for the city employees to show proof of vaccinations or submit to COVID testing. Governor Reeves says he's not sure if that's legal.
Look, I didn't know that the mayor of Jackson was mandating vaccines. I don't know that he has the legal authority to mandate vaccines. But again, that's between him and his employees. I think that there should be a distinction between private sector entities and public sector entities. I don't believe public sector entities have the authority to mandate vaccines. I don't think private sector entities should mandate vaccines. But if an individual doesn't like what their boss is doing, I guess they can go find another job.
When it comes to masks for children, Governor Reeves says he has trust in the school boards to make sure students are safe during the current Delta surge. In addition to record-breaking COVID numbers, there were also 166 nursing home outbreaks. Governor Reeves says more federal assistance is on the way to help treating those COVID patients.